Sales reps aren't getting replaced, they're getting richer, just not in the way you think. There's a gap forming right now. Reps doing everything manually, and reps using AI to multiply their output. The second group? They're hitting $10,000, $15,000, even $20,000 months. AI isn't replacing sales, it's removing low-value work, prospecting, follow-ups, admin. Top reps are doing 3 things differently. 1. AI prospecting. They find and qualify leads in minutes. 2. Automated follow-ups. They never forget to follow up. AI consultant. You help automate workflows. 3. More time closing. They spend most time closing deals. The difference isn't talent, it's leverage. And right now, you either use AI or you fall behind.